Hello, today we will be performing a one-sample, one-tail hypothesis test where the population standard deviation is known. In this problem, we are trying to determine if a business school's MBA's applicants' average number of years of work experience is greater than 3. We are given a sample size of 47, a sample mean of 3.1, a population variance of 0.5, which is equivalent to a population standard deviation of 0.707, a hypothesis mean of 3, and a significance level of 0.05. The first step is to determine the type of hypothesis. Since we are trying to determine if the average number of years of work experience is greater than 3, this is an upper tail test. The next step is to determine the z-test statistic, which is used when the population standard deviation is known. The formula is sample mean minus hypothesized mean divided by standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. For this problem, we will do B7 minus B9 divided by B8 divided by the square root of B6. As you can see, our z statistic equals 0.97, and we will now move on to the critical value. For the critical value, we will use the formula norm.s.inv, and we will do 1 minus the significance level, which is located in cell B10. Since this is an upper tail test, our critical value is positive 1.645. We will now determine the p-value using the formula 1 minus norm.s.dist. We will enter the z-test statistic, which is located in cell B12, and true. After determining the p-value, we are now ready to state our conclusion. Since our z-test statistic of 0.97 is less than our critical value of 1.645, we will fail to reject the null hypothesis. Since our p-value of 0.17 is greater than our significance level of 0.05, it confirms the fact that we should reject the null hypothesis. Since we fail to reject the null hypothesis, we cannot conclude that mean work experience is greater than 3.